I make the most of my green space by planting in the back and the front of my house. Here I have catnip, nasturtiums, Asiatic dayflower, which volunteered, and I should have some wood sorrel around here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, there you are. So now that you've seen it, let me show you how I incorporate this into my everyday life. Starting with Asiatic dayflower, Camelina communis. When it comes to Asiatic dayflower, the leaves, the flowers, and the stems are edible. But I will admit that these can get a bit fibrous, so you might prefer just to chop it finely and use it in the same way you would celery in, say, tuna or chicken salad. The leaves, however, you can enjoy raw in a salad, and you can even eat these seed pods. And these you can easily pop into a salad and eat with everything together with the seed inside, or you can open them up and remove the seeds and just serve those as a garnish on top of your salad. This is a mild green that's easy to slip into salads or stuff into sandwiches. And once I've given everything a good wash and a dry, this will keep in the refrigerator for several days. It's full of vitamin C and A. You can even enjoy the older leaves by cooking them. It's natural antibacterial and infection fighter, and is a febrifuge. And who doesn't want their temperature lowered during the hot summer months? Healthy, green, and free. What's not to love?